To make Lau Chingri, first we need to grate the bottle gourd, that is lauki. Next we have to fry the prawns with salt and turmeric. Also we need chopped tomato, chilli and tejpata bay leaves, whole jeera and whole red chilli, jeera paste, sugar, salt to taste and turmeric powder. Also I have fried the potatoes with salt and turmeric powder. Also we need 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. In a kadai I have taken 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in which I have added jeera, red chilli and bay leaves. So we need to saute it so that the flavor comes to the oil. Next I have added the chopped tomatoes and we need to saute it along with the masala. Next I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste in it. After that I am going to add green chilli. I'll mix it well. And then comes the main ingredient of this recipe, that is jeera paste. It gives a distinct flavor to the recipe and I really love the smell of it. Along with it I'll add salt and turmeric powder. As we can see, the masala is ready. We can add the grated lauki in it. Next I will add some more salt in it so that the lauki becomes tender and soft and cooks fast. Now I will add the fried potatoes. It's already half cooked. Now we will mix it well and let it cook together for 10 to 15 minutes and I will cover the lid. In the end I will add the fried prawns and mix it well. It gives a very nice aroma to this recipe and you must definitely try this with steamed rice. It tastes very nice. It's an authentic Bengali dish and it's all-time favorite of all the Bengalis around the world. So friends, now the recipe is done. I'm going to garnish it with 1 teaspoon of ghee and it really adds to taste and it smells wonderful. So please try this at home and enjoy with your friends and families. And if you like this recipe, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll come up with more new videos for you all. Till then, all of you take care and happy cooking.